Welcome to another holiday card video. Keep watching to see how to make this joy holiday card with holly accents. Shown here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. The rhinestones are of course optional, so you could easily leave those off and just use the red pen again to draw that part in. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. The next step is to switch over to your thin red pen and outline all of the letters, and also outline the kind of parts in the center of each letter that you're not going to color in. Once everything is outlined, switch over to your thicker red pen. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and the exact red that I'm using is linked down below, and simply color in all of the letters, leaving that kind of little space that you'd previously outlined in the center of the letters white. Next, it's time to move on to the holly accents on either side of the word. Take your green pen and first outline the leaves. Then go back in and color them in. The next step is to take your rhinestones and lay them out to simulate the berries of the holly. If you don't have rhinestones, you could simply use your thin red pen again and just draw in a few small red circles. It'll give the same effect, just a little bit less sparkly. So assuming that you're using the rhinestones, once you have them all laid out in the spots that you want, just take your glue and simply glue them on. And once the glue is dry, this elegant holiday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.